Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to reduce loud laptop fan noise in Windows 11, 10. Type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.